Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to cancel a pending transaction on Vanguard. Open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your username and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says My Accounts. Then a drop-down list will appear. There, you will see an option for Balances and Holdings. Click on Balances and Holdings. On the middle part of this page, you will see an option for Transaction History. Click on Transaction History. Then here, you will see several tabs. Click on the Pending Activity tab. Now, you will see your pending transactions. Click on the Cancel button beside the pending activity you wish to cancel. Now review the transaction you wish to cancel. If you're sure to cancel it, click on Yes. That's how you cancel a pending transaction on Vanguard. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.